6 vital things. First one, x to the power m into x to the power n equals to x to the power m plus n, x to the power m divided by x to the power n, x to the power m minus n, x to the power m whole to the power n, x to the power mn, that is m into n, pq to the power m equals to p to the power m into q to the power m, p by q to the power m equals to p to the power m by q to the power m, and p by q to the power 0 equals to 1. These 6 laws were discussed in the previous class, and we solved some problems, simple problems. This is your class number 2, so there must be some difficult problems. There must be some difficult problems. Say the first one, simplify. A to the power m by a to the power n to the power m plus n into a to the power n by a to the power l to the power n plus l into a to the power l by a to the power m to the power l plus m. Simplify this. How to solve? First, what is within parenthesis? A to the power m by a to the power n. So it becomes a to the power m minus n. This remains same. Again, a to the power n minus l, n plus l, and a to the power l minus m to the power l plus m. Okay? A to the power m minus n whole to the power m plus n. That becomes a to the power m minus n into m plus n into the second term, a to the power n minus l into n plus l. The third term, a to the power l minus m into l plus m. M minus n into m plus n. This is m square minus n square. So a to the power m square minus n square into a to the power n minus l into n plus l, n square minus l square into a to the power l minus m into l plus m, l square minus m square. Okay, same base multiplied, powers will be added. So a to the power m square minus n square plus n square minus l square plus l square minus m square. You see, dismissed. What remains? A to the power 0, that is 1. This problem is very important. You can get similar type of problems in many books. This is just an example. Okay? Understood the problem? Okay, next problem. Next problem is find the value of 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2 equals to what? Sixteen into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. You see, this 16 is a multiple of 2, 4 is a multiple of 2 and 2 is there. So let us take all the terms in 2's form, that is 16's mean 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 means 2 square into 2 to the power n. Again here 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. 2 means 2 to the power 1. Okay. So base is 2, power will be added. It becomes 2 to the power n 4 plus n plus 1. That is n plus 5. Okay. Here minus 2 to the power n plus 2. 2 to the power 4 plus n plus 2. That is n plus 6 minus 1 plus n plus 2, n plus 3. Okay. Now if you compare between this and this, 2 to the power n plus 5 minus 2 to the power n plus 2, n plus 6, n plus 3, that is 1 plus 1 is extra. N plus 5 plus 1, n plus 2 plus 1. So plus 1 means 2 to the power 1. That is 1, 2 is multiplied. Got the point? Let me explain. If I write it like n plus 2 plus 1 and this one as n plus 5 plus 1. Now you get the similarity. Okay? So this 2 to the power 1, that is into 2, this 2 to the power 1 is common. We can write it like 1, 2 taking common. Got this? The trick is in this line only. This is the trick. You are just taking 2 out as common from both the numbers. Now this is same, so you can cancel it. The answer becomes 1 by 2, half. This is again a very important problem. Look, you have to understand the processes we are applying for solving these problems. You may not get exactly the same problem, you may not get exactly the same numerals, but you will be able to solve those problems if you understand this process. So concentrate on understanding the process, not the numerals. Let us go for the third problem. Third problem goes like this. If 27 to the power 2n minus 1 equals to 243 to the power 3, find n. This is again a very important problem. Solve n. For this case, again we should go to the lowest base. 27. 27 can be factorized like this. So it is 3 to the power 3 and 243. 3 to the power 5. Okay, let us replace. Okay, x to the power m whole to the power n becomes m into n. X to the power m whole to the power n, m into n. If x to the power m equals to x to the power n, you can write m equals to n. This is one observation. And if x to the power m equals to y to the power m, x equals to y, this is another observation. Write it down clearly in your exercise book. These two observations. If x to the power m equals to x to the power n, that is, if the bases are equal, powers must be equal. And if the powers are equal, bases should be equal. Okay? So in this problem, the base is same, 3 and 3. We conclude that the power is also equal. Two n minus 1 equals to 5, 2n equals to 6, n equals to 3. Got it? Oh, this is 6. Got it? This is one type of problem, that is solution of indices. Another problem, you do it yourself. Always go for the lowest factor. Always go for the lowest factor. Problem is like this. 2 to the power 3x equals to, if 2 to the power 3x equals to 128 into 216 by 144 into 24. Find x. You do it. One 28, 216, 144, 24. We can simplify this side, isn't it? Say 4, 6, 32, 2, 3, 16. Again 6, 12, 8. So it becomes 8 only. nothing but 2 cube. So you must try to bring left hand side and right hand side with the same base or same power. Only then you can compare. Okay? Let us go for next problem. I am writing 2 problems for you to solve. Okay? Number 1, if 4 to the power 3x minus 5 equals to 2 to the power x, solve x. Problem number 1. Number 2, if 5 to the power 2x plus 2 equals to 128 into 25 by 40 into 80, solve x. You solve these 2 problems by yourself and send the answer to me through comment box. Okay, another problem. If a cube by b square to the power 7 into b cube by a to the power 4 to the power 3 equals to a to the power m by b to the power m, prove that 2n minus m equal to 0. So you solve these 3 problems and some other problems you get in your book and send me the answers through comment box. If you find any difficulty in understanding and solving the problems regarding laws of indices, you can send me the queries through your comment box. Thank you.